right here, he say he good. Right here. Oh, she finna get down. You're live, mate. You're on Facebook Live. They're gonna do a balloon drop. Oh, right above us. We ain't sticking around for that. I think I'd rather see the fireworks. Yeah. Mix it with the old stuff. Going way back. Oh, he gonna mix it up. She already crunked. She already crunked. The white girl over there. She crunked. Why is that on TV? Why is that on TV? That's messing with the whole night. The Cowboys, let's move. I don't want to see the Cowboys on TV. They crump. said what?
Right now?
No, I'm good.
Why? Because I'm too white? Too white.
She crunk, man. Oh. She said cause she too white. Oh, they better put her out of here. Hey, what's up? How y'all doing?
Come on.
Oh no, I'm good. I'm good.
I know you're.
I'm recording. I'm on.
I'm party on me. Come on.
This guy right here, he said he's good. Right here. I'm good.
No, you gotta get up. I'm party on me. I'm pushing it right up my chips and on.
Oh, okay. Oh, you dropped it yourself. I'm good. I'm good though. No, I'm good. I got your tape. She's drunk as hell.
How long y'all dating? How long? 2 years. Let me take a picture, y'all. Oh, okay.
Oh, you gotta use her phone.
I'm gonna try to be a good photographer, okay? They normally suck, right? Alright, one. Put your phone down.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Oh my God. That was good.
Oh, thank you. See how I feel.
That's good though. You smile, yay!
It's cause the drunk girl is drunk as hell, all laughing about it. She told up. $10 that she get booted out of here for the night is over with.
No, I don't think so.
She is.
She's having fun.
If she stand up in that chair again, they gonna let her ass have it. They gonna be like, look, what you got? Countdown.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Yay! Happiness! Hey! 2010.
Yep, we got the perfect ringside seat. See, I'm watching that. Huh? Oh. You gonna leave it downstairs? Oh, that's cool. I think like it's a spaceship getting ready to take off. What if it was like Men in Black and it was a spaceship and it took off? I really have some. It's what? Oh, like an octopus?